You can use paste special by copying an item and then using Control Alt V somewhere. This is going to give you a number of options. Some basic ones might be just to do a typical paste and do all. Or you might just want to paste the formula and not the formatting. Or just the values and not the actual formula. So we'll do an example of that one. If this was equals 5 plus 5, but we really only cared about the 10, we could just paste special, use the shortcut V to get the values. All of the shortcuts are just the underlined letter. So formats would be T, formulas would be F, values are V. And now we'll have the formula in the original cell, but just the value in that other cell. So let's go through some of the other options. You could paste just formats. So if this was a percentage, for example, it'll come up as a large percentage. We can paste just that percentage formatting here with that, using the shortcut T, and that will come up as a percentage. Other things you can do are, they get more advanced as you go along. Column widths is a good one that I like to use. Sometimes you'll want formulas and number formats, or just values and number formats. We've got the math operations that we covered earlier, and there's some interesting options here. Skip blanks and transpose. So let's do skip blanks first. Skip blanks would, in theory, ignore all of these blank cells. So if we had a range of cells, let's just give it ones, for example, and then we paste special this, but skip blanks, the blank cells will not be pasted. So we're not going to lose those middle ones. It's only going to paste those cells with values, which is very useful. And if we want to transpose cells, that involves a really easy thing. It's just flipping it on its axis. So if these were all 5s, let's get rid of that formatting. Paste formatting. Now it's a 5. If we want to paste that somewhere, but not horizontal, we want to paste it vertical, transpose, and it's going to paste it up and down.